Today, I'm going to share with you how to build a brand and also generate sales at the same time, literally starting from scratch. Because I know there's a lot of people out there. Yo sé que hay muchos latinos allá en el mundo que quieren crecer su brand, su marca y también genera ventas and also generate sales. So, I'm going to show you the the formula really quick, and then I'm also going to show you how to set up the campaign. Okay, starting from scratch, right? Now, first, we need at least, necesitamos como mínimo de 7 piezas de contenido. Y con el tiempo me voy a mostrar qué tipo de contenido necesita crear para conectar con el mercado y todo eso, ¿cierto? Primero, you can come over here to ChatGTP. Okay, I'm going to share with you a formula on how to create your ideal customer, your ideal persona using artificial intelligence and a mix of time tested methods for understanding our customers, who they are, what their fears, what their desires are, as well as what their motivations are. Okay. Everything that has to do with them coming to making a buying decision and connecting with you and becoming raving fans of your company, of your brand, your products, and your services. Right. I'm going to share this with you, this whole formula, and then also the content creation formula. Because once we understand who our ideal customer is and we combine it with an actual formula, then it makes creating content easy. Now, I myself can create content off the fly. However, I know there's a lot of people out there that don't know what to say, how to say it, when to start, and how to take somebody down a psychological process of coming to know, like, trust you, and also see that you are providing value, because people tend to do business with those that they know, like, and trust, and also deliver value to their lives. So, right, come down here. Hold on. Where's the formula? I'm going to share all this with you. Okay. This is all the formula. It is a 21-day content creation formula, because it takes on average 22 days for customers to actually not even think about a product or a service, to actually coming to the point of pulling out their wallet and paying for a product in our service. And it takes not just 22 days, but also 32 touches, as well as 12 contacts. 32 touches in the form of ad creatives, messaging, and whatnot, whether that's from you or from any type of brand competitor that's similar, offering the same type of service or product. Now, the other thing is 12 contacts. 12, like, pick up the phone, 12 direct messages, 12 emails, 12 texts, WhatsApp messages, 12. Okay, so we have 12 contacts, 22 days, and also 32 touches. This is how we can actually bend time and get somebody to know, like, trust us, and also see that we actually have value to offer them, and for them to actually want to do business with us. Okay, I'm going to share this formula with you, but I just want to show you how I created it and where I'm starting at, right? And we're going to do this spending $2 a day, anywhere from $1 to $3 a day per piece of content per audience. Now, as you can see right here, and I'm come over here, I'm doing this from my personal fan page, because even though I have other business pages for my actual company, I want to build a personal brand, and so do you, because with time, you can actually build that brand up and end up monetizing that brand and building wealth and building, how do you say, profit centers, multiple profit centers with just your name and partnerships and whatnot. So I'm going to use this fan page. I literally just I posted this video the other day, but I'm posting it again, because in order for me to run this type of campaign, I need to have this on my fan page, right? So there it is. I posted it. I also came over here and created an audience inside the ads manager. Okay. You need to go to business.facebook.com, configure your account, come into audiences. If you come into business settings, you will see audiences right here. You want to create audiences, and there's various types of audiences, and also how to create those audiences, how to segment those audiences. And with time, I'm going to share with you exactly which audiences that you want to create, right? So what I did, came over here, created a custom audience, video. Well, I don't want to go through that whole process. Like, I literally just, here, I'll show you right now. It's right here, right? This is it. Watch 10 seconds of 3 ways to grow business and sales in the last 90 days. These are all the people that have watched at least 10 seconds of my video, this one particular video, in at least 10 seconds in the last 90 days. Okay, you can see how it's all set up there. You come over here, you select the video, you select the actual fan page. That's the video right there. It's going in, confirm. And then once you confirm that, wonderful. Boom, boom, boom. You can select the time range. I like 90 days because 90 days, even though you can do 30 days, 7 days, and all that stuff, wonderful. But I like 90 days because I'm trying to build this audience and build a brand and have an audience that can continue to retarget. Your naming convention, you want to make sure that you name this properly because inside your ads manager, inside over here, we are going to specify which people are going to be able to watch our videos. And if people have already spent the time to watch our videos, we don't want to show them the same piece of content over and over again, right? We want to show them a new piece of content after they've already watched one piece of content or various pieces of content. So last 90 days, naming convention, wonderful. Update, cool. We have that audience. So I come over here. Now, we are going to do a reach campaign, right? Awareness. I want people to become like, who the heck is this dude? Why do I keep seeing them all over the place? Why do they keep seeing you all over the place? And they keep sharing with me nothing but valuable content. Like, who is this person? Because a lot of people are chismosos. Like, they like to go, they're nosy. They like to go out there and like check out, okay, who's this fan page? And what domain are they talking about without clicking on links or commenting or anything like that? So, you're going to see with this type of campaign, majority of your traffic are going to come from those that are nosy or chismosos, right? So you come over here, you create, I mean, as you can see here, marvelous wealth takeover because I want people, help people build wealth with their brands and their companies, right? Awareness. Now, there's various types of campaign objectives. I want awareness because I want people to see me. Like, this is the cheapest ad campaign that you can create to get awareness. And we're going to build these audience up so we can actually retarget them with actual offers and more content all at the same time. So we build the goodwill in the marketplace and people see us as something valuable, right? Come over here, press next. Naming convention, you want to name. I'm doing small business owners, US, and all. I need to put English, US, English, all. English. There we go. Select your fan page. I'm putting $2 a day per piece of content per audience. As you see, location, US. I'm leaving this open. I want them to find this English small business owners because I want to attract business owners into my world because we're going to do some amazing things, baby. Yeah. Now, naming convention of the ad name, right? 3 ways to grow business. That way we can come back in here and identify who our audience is, who's doing what. Come over here. Facebook fan page, Instagram account. We're all connected. Use existing post. I want to use an existing post, okay? And then select the post. Ignore this bad boy. And then, yeah, I'm not telling anybody to do anything. I'm leaving the domain there. I have the piece of content with my domain showing. You want to have your domain showing everywhere. An easy to remember domain because so many people are going to see it and they're going to continue to see you over and over again. And you want them to go to a specific website. And that actually gets important. Let me press play right now. Let's press play. When people see this stuff, they see this URL, thewealthcreationmachine.com. We're going to actually press publish, right? Let that bad boy go. Now, it's most important that you actually have your systems properly set up before doing this campaign. And when I mean systems, I'm talking about the actual landing page and all the follow-up sequences. Now, if I come in here, I want to show you the actual database or the customer relationship management system. Come in here. I'm going to go into funnels, right? Now, this particular funnel is, here it goes. Dum, dum, dum. Oops, hold on. Come in here. Yep. If I come in here, personal brand. All right. Wealth creation machine. Hold on 1 second. Let me pause this. And we're back. Okay, so I found it. It's right here on demand. Okay, people actually come here and may open this up. When people see the wealth creation right machine, they're going to be directed to this one page, this single opt-in page. They click here, put in their name and email, check out an on-demand class. Wonderful, because we are capturing leads, and we are going to build and nurture this relationship. We are building an asset. Okay, my friend, we're building an asset. And then what happens after that? Okay, because what most people will not do, they are not going to book appointments, they're not going to buy on the first time because people are busy. There's only 3% of the marketplace that are ready to buy now or do business now. 40% will do business with somebody eventually, which is why we want to capture names and emails and phone numbers so we can continue to follow up and nurture the relationship with them and be the one top of mind to actually offer our services. Because if we are the one who is collecting majority of all those touch points of 32 touch points in 22 days, and also 12 contacts, emails, text messages, and whatnot, essentially they're going to do business with us, and that's what we want to do. Okay, now coming back over here, let's come over into marketing. We're going to check out our workflows. All this is our automated system behind the capturing the emails and whatnot. If I come over here, on demand, Fern private capital, high ticket personal brand. Here it goes. Now you can see all the stuff that actually happens. We are doing tracking. Okay, Facebook tracking, Google tracking. We have this all set up. Email 1, email 2, email 3, email 4, email. It just continues on, right, to send them emails to go watch the actual presentation, the on-demand class, because the on-demand class actually shows them how to eliminate or break through sales and growth plateaus, because this is something valuable. Literally walk somebody through an exercise and realizes and helps them realize, like, right now what they can do to make money today. That's the offer. So anyhow, that is that for right now. And I want to continue to show you how this goes. Okay, when I build out content piece number 2 and I build out content piece number 3, how I'm going to add it to this campaign so people end up coming to find out who it is that we are. They end up wanting to purchase our services and or do business with us, essentially, right? And then we're going to build the brand at the same time while we're generating sales and whatnot. So with that, there's your dude Mark. If you want those things that I was talking about, if you want these formulas, make sure to DM me formula. Okay, content formula, and then I'll get these over to you, so you know you don't have to sit there like I used to do, which is cool. You know, it's a great skill to actually possess and know how to actually how to map this all out. It's a great skill to have. However, when we have tools today and we can actually upload these tools, these formulas, and let the AI understand who it is that we're targeting, what our offer is, and um, where the offer they can get it at, how much it actually costs. You know, the AI is going to go out there and create a persona, like the ideal customer. So you don't have to waste your time, so much time, you know, weeks at a time doing research. Literally within a couple minutes or seconds, you can have this all created for you. So now you're like, all right, let me just create content around this type of person's desires and fears, insecurities, troubles, struggles, all that stuff. So they can come to know, like, and trust me. Because if you have a product or service that they want and need, that's going to help eliminate a pain or insecurity or whatever it is to get them closer to the life that they truly desire, like, it is your obligation to actually doing such. So if you want this formula, whether it's creating the persona, the ideal persona, and the 21-day content creation framework, so you can get people into your world and building your brand and generating sales as fast as humanly possible, make sure to comment down below, or you can DM my page. With that, this is your dude Mark, and I'm out.